you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video I'm gonna be making this delicious brown stew pork. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now let's cook. So guys, here I have my pork and this is diced. I'm actually washing it under cold running water. I will also be washing it in vinegar water. I'm just happier when I wash my meat with vinegar, guys. Whatever acid, I'm just happy, okay? It's optional, like if you guys don't want to, but I enjoy doing it. So guys, to season the meat, I'm using Maggi chicken season. I did not have the meat. I'll also be using Old Bay season, garlic powder, Cajun season, onion powder, smoked paprika, and black pepper. Now guys, I'm gonna be adding browning, and this is what's gonna give it that beautiful color that we're looking for. And if you guys don't have browning, you can always go ahead and caramelize brown sugar. Now I add my veggies, which includes pepper, carrot, ginger, red onion, scallion, and thyme. Now I'm gently massaging all that seasoned with the pork, and look at that color, guys, just beautiful. Now guys, this is optional, but you can always go ahead and marinate your meat overnight or even a couple hours prior to cooking. Now in a Dutch pot on a high heat, I'm adding my pork. And you don't want to add your veggies at this time because you don't want it to cook out. So guys, we're gonna cover the pot and allow the meat to cook. You don't have to add water at this moment. We're just gonna let it produce its own juice, and that's gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, this is what it's looking like after 15 minutes. It's already produced a lot of juice. It's still very tough. It's still very tough, so we're just going to cover it and just allow it to dissolve a little bit. So see, a lot of the liquid has already dissolved. I'm pouring hot water on it just to tenderize the meat. Now we're gonna just allow that to cook for about 45 minutes. Now guys, the liquid has reduced again, and we're gonna add more water. The beef is still not cooked. Yeah, so we're gonna add more water to it. Not cold, guys, hot water. Yeah, give that a quick stir, and I'm gonna cover it and allow it to cook for about 30 minutes this time. This is what it's looking like, guys. I'm adding the veggies now. So I'm just gonna give that another quick stir. Now I'm gonna just let it reduce, guys, for about 20 minutes. Now guys, remember you always want to go in and taste just to see if anything needs to be added or take away. Like for instance, if it's too salty, you guys go ahead and add more water. If it's too fresh, go ahead and add more salt or season. So we're gonna cover that and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. So at this time, guys, we're gonna give it a quick stir and we're gonna add our ketchup. I love ketchup, guys, in my food. Like a lot of people don't add it, they just omit it, but I love ketchup. Okay, sometimes I'll even add a little barbecue sauce. Yeah, so I'm just giving that another quick stir and I'm gonna just let that reduce for another 20 minutes. Yeah. And there it is, guys. I'm so sorry for the angle. Oh, but anyways, it's finally finished. Our meat is tender and delicious, guys. This is the final product. Oh my goodness, I went ahead and I served that up with some rice and peas. I have avocado on the side, a little tossed salad, and coleslaw. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in to watch another video. I love you guys so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos. Bye.